Boom guys, it's me Abda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you 10 facts that are completely wrong but still people believe it. And yes, your brain has been lying to you all the time and I'm not sorry for it. Facts that sounds kind of believable to the facts that are straight up ridiculous. I have got 10 facts that are completely wrong and that will make you say, oh my god, what do I believe it? So yeah, you have fooled all the time. So without any further, let's get started this video. So our first fact is that sharks can smell single drop of blood from miles ago, and it sounds scary until you realize that sharks are not FBI agent in ocean, so they cannot smell single drop from miles ago. Yeah, it is true that sharks have a very strong sense of smell, but it is completely exaggeration that they can smell from a miles ago. There's nothing like that. They cannot smell a single drop from a miles ago, and even not a single drop but even a lot of blood from a miles ago they cannot detect. So yeah, it is completely wrong. Do not believe it. So our second fact is that water droplet convert into freeze instantly in space, which is completely wrong. Actually, there are two possible things that can happen if we drop water in space. Either it can convert into vapor. Second is it can convert into freeze. But it is not true that it will convert into instantly ice. It is wrong. Actually, it will take time to convert into ice or convert into vapor. So if we put water in space, it won't convert instantly into anything. It will definitely take time. So it is completely wrong. It is classic Hollywood science fiction, but it is not reality. So the next fact is that if you will touch a baby bird, its mother will abandon that bird, which is incorrect. Actually, there is nothing like that. It won't definitely going to abandon just because you touch that bird. So it is completely wrong. Feel free to touch the bird. So the next fact is that chameleons change colors according to where they are, and we have seen it everywhere, and almost everyone believes it that it is true that if a chameleon is standing in front of this wall, it will change its colors according to the wall. No, they don't camouflage. It's incorrect. Actually, yeah, chameleons change their color, but not to match, not to camouflage, but actually it change its color according to temperature, mood and surrounding. So this is why they change their color. So yeah, it's true, they do change their color, of course, and it is not correct that they change because they want to camouflage, and they are not any fashion icons. Don't drink coffee, it will stunt your growth. And this is actually most scariest thing I have ever heard, because I love coffee, I love drinking coffee, and the moment I got to know that this fact is wrong, I was most happy. So let me explain it to you. Actually, coffee has no effect on your growth, and we all have heard people saying, and even I have literally seen it so many where that drinking coffee will affect your growth and stop your growth and everything. But it is not true. Coffee won't affect you at all. So drink coffee. But yeah, I want to give a suggestion to everyone that don't drink a lot coffee. Just 5 cups before bed would be enough, I guess, right? So our next fact is that Viking wore a horned helmet, and it is completely wrong, because there is nothing like cosplay guys that they wore horned helmet. They don't wear horned helmet, they wore normal helmet. So it is completely wrong, and I know we all believe this because we all have seen in cartoons that they used to wear horned helmet. But yeah, I just got to know that it is wrong. It is not true. Lightning is a pure hot plasma and it burned everything. This is what we listen from everywhere, and this is what is the fact. But yeah, it is also wrong, because there is nothing like that lightning is hot plasma. No, I don't mean that lightning is not hot at all or it is very safe. It is completely not, and it is not that much hot and that much disastering as much we have seen in movies. It is dangerous, it is actually hot plasma, but it is not that much level of, you know, exaggeration we have seen in movies. So yeah, it is a safe thing. It is not completely wrong thing. Yeah, so this is all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and let me know in comment that what kind of more videos you want. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. Bye.